Daily use of English words. Daily use of English words ពាក្យភាសាអង់គ្លេសប្រើប្រចាំថ្ងៃ brave brave ក្លាហាន showing no fear of dangerous or difficult things showing no fear of dangerous or difficult things បង្ហាញការមិនភ័យខ្លាចនៃអ្វីដែលមានគ្រោះថ្នាក់ឬការលំបាក She is a brave woman. She is a brave woman. នាងជាស្ត្រីក្លាហានម្នាក់ I think you are a brave man. I think you are a brave man. ខ្ញុំគិតថាអ្នកជាមនុស្សក្លាហាន energetic energetic ស្វាហាប់ I'm feeling quite energetic today. I'm feeling quite energetic today. ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ស្វាហាប់ណាស់ He is an energetic boy. He enjoys sports. He is an energetic boy. He enjoys sports. គាត់គឺជាក្មេងប្រុសដ៏ស្វាហាប់ហើយគាត់ចូលចិត្តកីឡា calm calm ស្ងប់ស្ងាត់ not excited worried or angry it means quiet not excited worried or angry it means quiet មិនរំភើបមិនព្រួយបារម្ភឬខឹងមានន័យថាស្ងាត់ She is trying to stay calm. She is trying to stay calm. នាងកំពុងព្យាយាមរក្សាភាពស្ងប់ស្ងាត់ My father looked calm but actually he was very nervous. My father looked calm but actually he was very nervous. ឪពុកខ្ញុំមើលទៅស្ងប់ស្ងាត់ប៉ុន្តែតាមពិតគាត់មានការភ័យខ្លាំងណាស់ popular popular ពេញនិយម He is very popular in the school. He is very popular in the school. គាត់មានប្រជាប្រិយភាពខ្លាំងណាស់នៅក្នុងសាលា Mr. Beast is the most popular YouTuber. លោក Beast គឺជា YouTuber ដ៏ពេញនិយមបំផុតម្នាក់ nervous nervous afraid of something ភ័យមានន័យថាខ្លាចអ្វីមួយ I felt really nervous before the interview. I felt really nervous before the interview. ខ្ញុំពិតជាភ័យណាស់មុនពេលសម្ភាសន៍ I was nervous before the exam. I was nervous before the exam. ខ្ញុំភ័យខ្លាចមុនពេលប្រឡង lazy lazy ខ្ជិល He is lazy. He is lazy. ខ្ជិល 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 He is lazy. ខ្ជិ He was too lazy to clean his room. He was too lazy to clean his room. គាត់ខ្ជិលណាស់ក្នុងការសម្អាតបន្ទប់របស់គាត់ I was feeling too lazy to go out. I was feeling too lazy to go out. ខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ខ្ជិលក្នុងការចេញទៅក្រៅ ឬខ្ញុំមិនមានអារម្មណ៍ទៅក្រៅ Talkative. Like to talk a lot. Talkative. Like to talk a lot. និយាយច្រើនមានន័យថាចូលចិត្តនិយាយច្រើន She was a very talkative kid. She was a very talkative kid. នាងជាក្មេងដែលនិយាយច្រើនណាស់ He's a talkative guy and I struck up a conversation with him. He's a talkative guy and I struck up a conversation with him. គាត់ជាមនុស្សចេះនិយាយហើយខ្ញុំបានសន្ទនាជាមួយគាត់ Shy. Shy. ខ្មាស់អៀន She didn't speak loudly because she was so shy. She didn't speak loudly because she was so shy. នាងមិនបាននិយាយខ្លាំងទេព្រោះនាងអៀនខ្លាំង The child was shy and hid behind his mother. The child was shy and hid behind his mother. ក្មេងនោះខ្មាស់គេហើយលាក់ខ្លួននៅពីក្រោយម្ដាយ Rude. Rude. Showing a lack of respect for other people and their feelings. Showing a lack of respect for other people and their feelings. ឆ្លើយបង្ហាញការខ្វះការគោរពចំពោះអ្នកដទៃនិងអារម្មណ៍របស់គេ The taxi driver was so rude to me. The taxi driver was so rude to me. អ្នកបើកតាក់ស៊ីឆ្លើយណាស់ចំពោះខ្ញុំ Why are you so rude to your mother? Why are you so rude to your mother? ហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នកឆ្លើយនឹងម្ដាយយ៉ាងនេះ Greedy. Greedy. លោភលន់ You want more and more of something, such as money or food. You want more and more of something, such as money or food. អ្នកចង់បានរបស់កាន់តែច្រើនឡើងដូចជាលុយឬអាហារ He is a greedy little boy. He is a greedy little boy. គាត់ជាក្មេងលោភលន់ It's not a good thing to be so greedy. It's not a good thing to be so greedy. វាមិនមែនជារឿងល្អទេដែលលោភលន់ពេកនោះ Strict. Strict. តឹងរឹង Not allowing people to break rule or behave badly. Not allowing people to break rules or behave badly. មិនអនុញ្ញាតឲ្យមនុស្សបំពានច្បាប់ឬប្រព្រឹត្តអាក្រក់ The teacher is very strict. The teacher is very strict. គ្រូគឺតឹងរ៉ឹងណាស់ My parents were very strict with me when I was young. My parents were very strict with me when I was young. ឪពុកម្ដាយរបស់ខ្ញុំតឹងរ៉ឹងខ្លាំងជាមួយខ្ញុំកាលពីក្មេង Messy messy រញ៉េរញ៉ៃ The house was always messy. The house was always messy. ផ្ទះតែងតែរញ៉េរញ៉ៃ I can't find anything on this messy desk. I can't find anything on this messy desk. ខ្ញុំមិនអាចរកឃើញអ្វីនៅលើតុរញ៉េរញ៉ៃនេះទេ Polite polite គួរសម shows respect for other people's feelings. Shows respect for other people's feelings. បង្ហាញការគោរពចំពោះអារម្មណ៍របស់អ្នកដទៃ He is always polite to everyone. He is always polite to everyone. គាត់តែងតែមានសុជីវធម៌ចំពោះមនុស្សគ្រប់គ្នា It was polite of him to hold the door. It was polite of him to hold the door. វាជាការគួរសមសម្រាប់គាត់ក្នុងការកាន់ទ្វារ Tidy tidy ស្អាតឬដែលមានរបៀបរៀបរយ His room is always tidy. His room is always tidy. បន្ទប់របស់គាត់តែងតែមានរបៀបរៀបរយ I am tidying up my office. I am tidying up my office. ខ្ញុំកំពុងរៀបចំការិយាល័យរបស់ខ្ញុំ Bully bully សម្លុតឬធ្វើបាប He's always bullying smaller boys. He's always bullying smaller boys. គាត់តែងតែធ្វើបាបក្មេងប្រុសតូចៗ Don't let them bully you. Fight back. Don't let them bully you. Fight back. កុំឲ្យពួកគេធ្វើបាបអ្នកវាយតបវិញ Thank you.